Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is stack in data structure. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is stack in data structure? In computer science, a stack is a fundamental data structure that operates on the principle of last in first out or LIFO. It is named as such because it behaves much like a stack of items in the physical world, where the last item placed on top is the first to be removed. A stack has two primary operations. Number one, push. This operation adds an element to the top of the stack. Second, pop. This operation removes the top element of the stack. Additionally, there is often a third operation. Number 3 is pick or top. This operation returns the top element of the stack without removing it. These operations make stacks useful in various scenarios, such as implementing function calls, call stack in programming languages, parsing expressions, backtracking algorithms, and undo mechanisms in applications. Stacks can be implemented using various data structures such as arrays or linked lists. The choice of implementation depends on the specific requirements and characteristics of the application. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is stack in data structure is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.